What's up guys, how's it going? In the 98 Ram today. As with the title of this video, I never showed you guys how much I paid for the 98 Ram. I said I was going to tell you guys, how much I paid for the truck here. I mean, here it is, really super clean. 1998 Ram 1500 V8 two-wheel drive. A very nice truck, look, with only 120,000 miles, and I mean, things are just in amazing shape. I actually recorded a little video of kind of doing some restoration to it. Just I cleaned up the bumpers, used some Renew. I did do window tint. As you can see, it's like darker now in here. I made a video on it like about a couple weeks ago, and I hadn't actually shown the truck really afterwards. So I'll go take some pictures of the truck and probably post them on Instagram, and then you guys will obviously see the finished product in the video. I'll just tack that on the end of the video after I show you guys the price. That being said, I never showed you guys, or told you guys the price of the vehicle. I said I got a good deal, which I believe I did. I think I got a good deal. I was working at the dealership at the time. Also, another little life update. I am back working at the dealership, not in sales, so I'm pretty happy about that. I'll be lot tech over there, so just really happy to be back working there. I can't wait. I started was it Thursday, so pretty cool. So I'll still be working my retail job and also be working over there, be working full-time 40 hours a week at retail, which by the way, it's Walmart, that's where I work, and I'll be working like 25 hours a week over at the dealership. So that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna be bringing some new exciting content. The new 2019 Ram, they already have the JL Jeep. I'll do some cool little videos on that. Sorry this video isn't that interesting. I'm just sitting here just looking at the interior. Look how clean it is. Got this nice steering wheel cover on it and everything, but there you guys, a little update there. But going over the price of the vehicle, I was working at the dealership at the time. This vehicle was traded in. It was a one-owner vehicle. If I have it, I'll pull the Carfax. I'll put it on the screen here, but basically, I'll just show you guys the price first. So here we go. I have the paper right here, the bill of sale. I'll show you guys the top here. Don't want to, because there's a lot of information. This is where I got it from. I guess this is their wholesaler right here. So this car was traded in for like $2,000, and one owner bought it. So here is the price of the vehicle. This is the whole thing, vehicle price. There you go. Total amount due right there. I paid in cash, and the total price I paid for this vehicle is $2,314, which for the truck, the Kelley Blue Book and the values of the vehicle, this is a wholesale price for the vehicle. I paid basically what you would buy this truck for a wholesale. Kelley Blue Book at the time being a one-owner vehicle, it valued it at $4,000. Now that there's a second owner on it, obviously it went down, I think $500 or $800. So a little bit of a devaluation, adding another owner to the vehicle. But there you guys go. This is how much I paid for this truck, which I think is a pretty good deal. It's a lot of truck for $2,000. I mean, some motorcycles or just little quads will cost $2,000. And I got a whole, full-size truck for that much, which is pretty nice. I mean, I could easily go around and sell this truck for, about $3,500 if I wanted to. Throw it on Craigslist, get $3,500, maybe even $4,000. I mean, if I held out a little bit longer. But I will show you guys. This is, my truck. Okay, trying to get over here best I can. As you can see, there is my name, Colin, my middle initial D there. Don't want to show too much, but there is no other names on it or anything. And coming down here, you can see Ram 1500. Don't want, everything on there. Oh yeah, it's not even my real birth date. I don't even know why that's on there, but it shows it on there. But there you guys go. There it is. There's exactly everything I paid. I mean, when I bought it, it was down here too. What is it? 12/30/2017. So there you guys go. There's how much I paid for the 97 Ram. I mean, I think I got a pretty good deal. And for $2,000, super clean truck. I mean, I could easily make, $500, $1,000 if I wanted to. But now I want to tell you guys how much I'm actually into the truck now, because I did window tint. So with window tint, that was about another $120 plus the exhaust. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I mean, it's just a little Flowmaster, Force 2 series is the cheapest version. I wasn't going for anything crazy. It's still a single exit exhaust, so that was another $280. Then I put a new intake filter, which was another $50, which honestly, now after looking at it, I should just bought a whole new cold air intake, because it makes it so much better than the crappy design that's on there right now. So that would have been another $200. So, but total, what I'm into it now, even the little Renew kit, which was $15, and what else I've done? I put the dash mat on. Oh yeah, sorry, don't look at this. Don't look at this terrible little dash cam thing. I literally have it duct taped on there. The mount broke for this dash cam. This is what was in my car, and that's why I got a new one for my car. And I have the mount, it's on the way. There'll be a new mount. I'll mount it right up here somewhere. And the steering wheel cover, I mean, that's pretty much it. I didn't do anything else to it. I mean, the interior is already like super clean. Not a single tear anywhere at all. I mean, the driver's seat looks just as good as this seat. So, by the way, there's what I film with, and there's a tripod. But I'm using my camera to my phone because I got a new phone. I want to see what the quality is like on it. So, hopefully the sound quality sounds good on it. I just want to test it out. But there you guys go. There's how much I paid for my 98 Ram. Also want to let you guys know, new Challenger mod coming soon. I'll be going to go install that actually right now after I get this video up. So it's the it's a decal that'll replace the Dodge badges on the back. There you guys, a little reveal there for you guys. So it's gonna be pretty cool. It's from Lux Auto Concepts. You know, I used their tints before. I bought it, I purchased it, so that will be pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to get that on. It's sitting in the garage right now, cooling off the car. Almost forgot, I renewed the front bumper and all the plastics on the vehicle. I retinted it, and I painted the front grille on this truck. I painted the mesh on it, so it looks really nice. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you guys out there have a second gen Dodge, these are definitely little modifications I recommend. I mean, I seen them on was it Paradox, I think is the channel name. He did it for his Cummins, so I mean, the Renew definitely makes the plastics look so much better, and then painting the grille black looks so good. And especially now with window tint on it, because it was terrible not having window tint on the truck. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And in today's video, we are going to be renewing the 1998 Ram 1500, or the second gen Ram. This white new here, and basically we're going to use this for all the plastics, because you got the plastic up front right here, you got the plastic side molding, got the plastic mirror, door handles, everything's pretty much plastic on this truck. And when you come back here again, the plastic on the bumper there. So we're gonna be basically wiping down this whole truck with the Wipe New to try to, you know, renew the vehicle. And also, I got a can of gloss black spray paint. This stuff is literally, what is it, like 96 cents at Walmart? And we'd be spray painting this mesh grill right here black, because I seen it on his channel. I'm like, wow, that actually looks pretty good, and it is. I mean, I bet when it first like came out, I think it was black to begin with, but it just looks all faded. I mean, it's like a faded gray, so I figured might as well paint it, make it look better, especially if we renew this and it turns black. It'll look a lot better with this black, that black. So basically that's what we're gonna be doing. What is it? Renewing these, painting that bumper, and also at 1 o'clock, what is it right now? It is 10:13. I have an appointment to get the windows tinted. I think I'm gonna be doing 20% on the side and then 5% on the back glass. Start masking all this off, and then I'll be back when we start painting. Okay, now after about 50 minutes of just taping off, I got the whole thing taped off except for the mesh in here. So now I'm gonna start painting this, put like a coat or two on it. And while that's drying, like the first coat, I'm gonna start doing like the side molding and things like that, and then probably do the front here last. But here we go. Hopefully this looks good. There's no major little leaks there or anything, but just use some random cardboard box trash and other stuff, and it's all sealed up. So let's start painting. Way through, just give my hand here a little bit of a rest, but look at that, looking good, all black. Just need to go from this side. You can really see the difference here. Basically just spraying it on, not being, I mean, it's just mesh grill at the end of the day. It's not like it's, you know, actual paint on a vehicle. So just trying to get it black, get this side painted, and then I think I might be able to get through the Renew. I might have to do all the Renew stuff after we get the windows tinted. So let's just get this done painted. Okay, so we got it all going now. I'm just gonna let this dry for a minute, then I'm gonna put another coat on it. But the really only thing I can say, like a helpful tip, would be to make sure you're getting it from all angles. You wanna make sure, because this is a honeycomb, like it won't really drip that much, but you just gotta make sure you're getting it from all sides here pretty much. That's like all I can say, but otherwise it's going on pretty easy. Doesn't look like, you know, anything's really wrong there, but now I'm gonna try to open up that Renew kit. Maybe I'll put another little second coat on here real quick, and then let this dry and then put another coat on. Opening up this little Wipe New kit here, basically it looks like you just get a bottle of the stuff and then the instructions and like a couple of microfibers. So I'm gonna open this up, read the instructions, see what it says, and then start putting this stuff on the truck. Hopefully it'll make it all look new again. Okay, so I'll put about 2 more coats on it. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm waiting about another 5 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna peel off all the masking and everything, and then, what is it, it's almost 12 o'clock, so I better get ready to head out. Gonna go get the windows tinted. I'll show you guys where I get it tinted at, but basically just do a little after, show you guys what it looks like out in the sun. Then we should have a pretty clean, transformed truck afterwards. So I just took off the plastic, everything looks good, didn't get any overspray anywhere. It's all looking good in the engine. Let's put the hood down and see how she looks. Wow. Dang, that looks really good. Pretty good job too. Don't see any real overspray or anything. Wow. Now, that really does change the whole look of the truck. I mean, it looks so good, looks fresh, looks new. Wow. Yeah, it looks good. I definitely recommend this. This is definitely a mod to do. And you guys out there have a 2nd gen Dodge, I mean, wow. Paint your grille black, or the inner mesh at least, and look at the difference it makes. Painting your inner grille mesh black, I mean, the difference it makes is really, wow. Now I just need to get this all looking black and all the other little plastic pieces, and I think this truck will look great. I'm gonna head out now. Gonna go get the windows tinted, so should be doing 20% and then 5 on the back. So here we are with this window tinted, this made in the shade window tinting. We'll see how good they are, but let's go inside and drop her off. Just got done, just got out, and look at this. It looks pretty dang good. So I got 20% on the 2 sides here. This one looks darker because the back windows already had privacy glass on it, but got 20%. Then I got 5% on the back there. Here, I'll show you guys what the outside looks like, but so far this looks pretty dang good. I mean, I'm liking it. They said it'd be a little bit of hazy, you know, obviously don't roll down the windows or anything, but just looking at it, look at that. That looks good, I like it. Look good, keep the sun or the heat out. I mean, you can barely see through there. It's 20% in the back because of the privacy glass. It makes it look really dark. And then the back is 5%, so get back there, look at it. Oh, it looks pretty good, I like it. Just want to give you guys a little walk around of it. Looks good, looks a lot better now. Pretty good job. Ended up costing like 120 bucks, so pretty good. Pretty good price there, pretty happy with it. Now the grill's all done. Looks good. It actually makes this look a lot worse. So now we're gonna use the Renew kit. I got everything right here. Got the Renew. Got it all set up and everything. So now I'm gonna just start applying that. Basically says wash it, which I took it through a car wash this morning. So I'm just gonna wipe it down real quick. And then after that, you just like dab like a couple drops on these microfibers that they give you. And then with the microfibers, you basically just wipe it down. It says just do 1 wipe, then wipe it. Just don't sit there and scrub it or anything, but just do single wipes on it. And do that. I'll get back after that's done. Where I left off, I said I was gonna get started, and I ended up just jumping right into the headlights. I don't know if you guys seen this before, but look at the headlights now compared to the last clip, and oh my gosh. It really cleaned them up, like really good. I haven't done the front at all other than the headlights. And wow, it really does clean them up, really does help. But I did just kind of, since I did the headlights, I'm like, well, I'm just gonna start doing like other little pieces. And if you come down here, like that's all normal. But then you come down here, and this is with the white new. And oh my gosh, it turns it completely black. It's as if it was brand new from the factory. Or if you go over here, it's all faded and just looks nasty. And then it's black, like a brand new. And then then I decided to just do the back right here, do the tail lights, because this is plastic, and it's all black now. Like that's faded, and then there it is after the white new, and it just looks amazing. Looks really good. So I can definitely recommend, oh yeah, also I did the tailgate handle, it was faded too, and it looks really good too. But pretty happy about this stuff. As you can see here, I'll show you guys what it looks like, what all the stuff that came off. If you look right here, look at all this. This is all that came off, and this is on both sides. And look at all this. This is all coming off the car. So I'm gonna use these other 2 little rags right there, and I'm gonna do the front bumpers,
and all the rest of the side molding and try to maybe do the mirrors if I can. But I'm gonna do all that and then come right back. But here's like a little before, look at it before. And by the way, this is just wet because you have to wash these off. But look at that, it looks so good. Or the rest of the truck looks so good. The headlights look great, but this is a little before. Let you guys see how it looks, and then I'll come back. Should be all wiped new. Okay guys, I'm all finished with the white new, and as you can see, it looks insanely good. It completely restored the front end of this truck. I mean, just going around, doing a little walk around. Got the trim, got the door handle, the mirrors. It just all looks, it's black, as if it just rolled off the assembly line. You come back here too, look at the rear bumper, and it looks just as good. It's insane how well this stuff works. It's just really well. Just really makes the truck look nice and just revitalizes it. I mean, this truck looks insane compared to how it looked before. It looks so faded and just old, where now as it just looks so, especially painting the grill really complements it now, because that's insane how nice it looks. With the black on the grill, the bumpers as if it's brand new. Now with the window tint and everything, this truck looks pretty dang good. And by the way, the window tint is working really well. It keeps a lot of the heat out. Here's the truck now all cleaned up. Now the only thing left to do would be paint it or anything else. I don't want to lift the truck. I don't want to do anything crazy with it, but I would like to possibly, I'm thinking about putting some spacers on or give it a little bit more of a stance, because I don't know, I like it when the wheels are flush with the body, so might be doing that in the future. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for renewing the 1998 Ram 1500. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link in the description below at the 02 Cummins Ram. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.